Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic text flip animation using only HTML and CSS. This cool effect lets you display changing words in a sentence, perfect for banners, headlines, or call to action sections on your website. No JavaScript needed, just pure CSS magic. So let's jump right into it. But before starting the video, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome web development tutorials. First, let's go through the HTML structure. Here is the basic HTML structure. We have a div with class container, which holds our main text, make and awesome. Inside it, we have a div with class flip, which contains the animated words, work, lifestyle, and everything. These words are wrapped inside two nested div tags because we will be animating their movement using CSS. Now we add awesome. It is a plain text. Now let's style our page using CSS. First, we styles body, margin, 0 pixel, removes default margins. Font family, Roboto, sans serif, sets a nice modern font. Text align center, centers text horizontally. Now we move on container. Display, block, make sure the div is a block element. Position, fixed, keeps the text fixed in the same place while scrolling. Padding top, 200 pixel, pushes the text down from the top. Width, 100%, makes it stretch across the whole screen. Bottom, 45%, positions it 45% from the bottom. Color, sets the text color to gray. Font size, 36 pixel, increases the text size. Font weight. Bold, makes the text bold. Text transform, uppercase, converts text to uppercase. After that, we styling flip. Height, 50 pixel, limits the height to 50 pixel so only one word is visible at a time. Overflow, hidden, hides everything outside this height. Now we add some styling to words. Display, inline block, keeps each word inline but allows padding margins. Margin bottom, 45 pixel, creates space between words. Padding, 4 pixel, 12 pixel, adds padding inside the word blocks. Height, 45 pixel, sets the height of each word box. Color, make the text color white. Animating the words. Div.firstChild, targets the first div inside flip. Animation, animate 5-second linear infinite, runs the animate animation infinitely every 5 seconds. Now we sets background colors for words background. Sets a default green background for all words. Background, changes the first word's background to blue. Background, changes the last word's background to red. Create flipping words animation. At 0%, moves the words up by -270 px, making the first word disappear. At 5%, moves the words to -180 px, showing the second word. At 33%, holds the second word in place. At 38%, moves up to -90 px, showing the third word. At 66%, keeps the third word visible. At 71%, moves to 0 px, showing the first word again. At 100%, loops back to the start, creating a seamless looping effect. And that's it! We just built a cool text flipping animation using only HTML and CSS. Pretty awesome, right? Let me know in the comments what you think and if you have any questions. I'd love to hear your thoughts and help you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to channel for more web development tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep coding, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.